No, see, law and order situation currently is going from bad to worse with the murder that has taken place in the shack. I believe that the people are not even accepting the body. When we look at preventive detection that has to happen, if you look at poor gang rape, झाली. All these things, if you look, things are going from bad to worse. The Home Department has failed miserably and the Chief Minister needs to answer to these questions. These are serious allegations, serious things, serious allegations on the way the Home Ministry is functioning. Also, the way Makadista, this has a huge impact on the tourism. Deaths at the shack has got a direct implication on the tourism. Are our shacks safe? Are shacks been given to outsiders to run? What is happening? A mafia je choloite. I think all of this needs to be looked at very, very seriously because it is going to have a direct impact on Goa's tourism future.
What is the opposition role for this?
For what?
To tackle the law and order situation?
No, see, the opposition's role, it is to highlight these issues. We spoke, when we speak in the assembly. We can't take law in our own hands. You don't expect the opposition to go there and stand there. Opposition go and stand outside shacks. It is for us to point out to the government, and the government has to take action. They have failed. They have failed miserably. Even with regards to paragliding, for example, it has been suspended. But where is the safety standards? All these years, Goa is known to be a touristic state. These measures had to be put in place in the first place. Suspensions are after a death. So why are you all waiting after death? What about disaster management? Disaster management, every time we speak here on what is the implication, they take it lightly. You see what happened in Verna. So this government is basically sleeping. They are not interested. They are not interested in the welfare of the state. Our duty as opposition, no matter what our political differences are, it is our duty or my duty as leader of opposition to make sure we take everyone together out in this house. That is what I will do in the coming assembly session as well.